This is our starting main template. For the Emissary, switch on the gain bright switch and the depth is at 5 pm, presence 3 pm. For the Nad IR, high pass is 150, low pass 8.0 and reso 40%. Battery tone. Gain and low mids at 9 pm. Master of Puppets. The gain is between 9 and 10 pm and the low mids at 10 pm. Disposable Heroes. Gain and treble at 10 pm, low mids at 9 pm.
Don't you hate it when crazy stepmom steals?
Orion. Turn the bass deep switch on. Gain and low mids at 8 pm, high mids at 11 pm, treble at 12 pm. So one thing the original video doesn't mention is that you need to change all of the types into bands. You can see this is my version, this is the lowest part, and you can see the one I'm trying to follow. His lowest part is curved up, and the reason why is because the type is a low shelf. When I change it into a band, now suddenly it's also curved up, and now it's exactly the same. If you reset it to factory default, you can see the lowest part, by default it's a low shelf, and the highest part, by default, it's a high shelf. Just change all of it to bands and you're good to go. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe.